would love someday to do an item song cameo.
Karan Johar romantic film या doing a Sanjay Leela Bhansali period drama?
Come on, that's a difficult one.
Someone who only texts and K in conversations.
I can't talk to that person for more than 10 seconds.
A person who refuses to share their fries and cola.
Biggest red flag. The lift I see Akshay sir and his team, and they're like, "Oh, तुम भी जिम जा रही हो?" And I'm like, "नहीं sir, मैं खाना खाने जा रही हूँ." Hi, this is Sadhya Kriti when you're watching me on Connect Cine with Faridu. Please do like, share, and subscribe.
Sadia, welcome on Connect Cine. कैसी हैं आप?
I'm very well. Thank you for having me.
Fantastic. All right, so let's have a rapid fire with you. Okay, if you could do a remake of any Bollywood classic, which one would it be?
Lajja.
Okay, and which role would you like to play?
Any role from that entire series. I would really love to play Manisha's, but I think any. I'm okay with playing any part from all the girls. But that film has to be real.
That's an interesting choice. That's an interesting choice. Okay, one song that describes your current mood.
Current mood. Hawa Hawa, Rani Hawa, Hawa Hawa. That song. That is my all-time mood, by the way. But this one is like my song from Rockstar.
All right. If you had to swap lives with a Bollywood actress for a day, who would it be and why?
Alia Bhatt, because of her career opportunities that she has and for the filmography that she has. I would really love to do the films that she has been doing all her life.
So, what is your favorite film of Alia?
I love Urta Punjab. I really love Highway. I love Gangubai. All these films I would really love to play if I was given a chance.
Okay. A guilty pleasure snack you can't resist.
Everything that I eat nowadays is only a guilty pleasure. Pancakes and waffles. And pasam, pavam pasam, the Sevaiya thing, which is also in South. What do you call it? Pavam?
Payasam.
Payasam, yeah. Similar to Sevaiya that we eat.
Amazing. Okay. One word to describe John Abraham.
Intelligent and good looking.
If you have to describe diplomat in a sentence.
It will keep you at the edge of your seat.
All right.
True story, that will keep you at the edge of your seat.
All right. If John Abraham had to describe you in one word, what do you think he would say?
Uzma, that's what he calls me by my character's name. A good kid, that's what I've heard from him. Yeah, a good kid, I guess. I've heard that a couple of times.
All right. Okay. Any tips? Any health tips, fitness tips, diet tips from him?
More than health tips, he keeps making you feel guilty if you eat anything. For example, if I was looking chubbier on screen while I was eating and I was hopping because I'm a big time foodie, then he would like give you a stare and then glance, and then he would take the wrapper from your hand and then will count. You know how many calories there is in it, and you know how toxic it is. Sir, it's still in my mouth. Let it at least digest before you tell me. Or it's him.
He hasn't eaten a cake. He hasn't eaten a cake for the longest period of time. He takes stevia.
Honestly, Shivam sir's birthday, I really tried hard to put a cake in his mouth. It was Lotus Biscoff cake. I still remember it was Shivam sir's birthday. On set, we were celebrating, and I really tried hard. He didn't. He must have like, oh, bus, that's it. He didn't eat.
Okay. If you could steal one Bollywood actor's wardrobe for a day, whose would it be and why?
Nora Fateh.
And why is that?
I love her clothes. I love her style. I think like what she wears off screen, like what she wears usually in her interviews and everything. It really resonates with my wardrobe, my personal wardrobe.
Amazing. Okay. What is one thing John Abraham eats that you absolutely refuse to try?
His pasta, that pasta powder thing that he eats in his lunch, you know, that ready-made thing that he has with him on his sets while we are eating the apna regular soda wala set ka khana, which I love. That's one of my guilty dishes. I love the soda wala set ka khana, and he's eating that most healthy packed food pasta. I can't even try it. I would rather eat the unhealthy one.
All right. Okay. Ye ya wo, either or if you have to choose one. Item song cameo or intense emotional scene? What is it that you'll prefer?
Intense emotion scene any day. But I would
Okay.
love someday to do an item song cameo. Oof, that, as a kid, it was a dream. But I'm not sure if I'll be able to. But as a kid, I was this Sheila ki Jawani pe naachne wala bachcha in the house. But I ended up being more inclined towards the intense scene. That intense scene gives me
Intense.
pleasure, like satisfaction.
All right. Okay. Romance with Ranbir Kapoor or action thriller with Hrithik Roshan?
Action thriller with its Rikosh.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Actually, romance with Ranbir Kapoor, I would love both. But yeah, I really want to do action thriller.
Okay. Being cast in a Karan Johar romantic film, yeah, doing a Sanjay Leela Bhansali period drama.
Come on, that's a difficult one. I'm an actor, and that too a new actor. I want both. There's no choice.
Tell me one Karan Johar film and one Sanjay Leela Bhansali film that you like and you'd have loved to be cast in that.
Oh, I can't say one, but I would really love to be a part of Savaria,
Interesting. Okay.
Dildas, and from Karan Sir's Air Dil Hai Mushkil, that Elise's part.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Interrogation scene, yeah, high speed chase. What's more exciting?
In the film, it was interrogation scene.
Okay. Shooting a scene in deep jungles, yeah, snow covered mountains.
Snow-covered mountains, any day. I'm a mountain girl from Kashmir. I love snow.
So you like to do like a chiffon saris and in snow-clad mountains
Oh,
song?
that would be the inner child in me will be so happy.
Okay.
Roaming in that chiffon sari. What else do I want?
Okay. Saving the world with a high-tech gadget, yeah, an old school desi jugaad.
High-tech gadget.
High-tech gadget.
Since I am from today's time, I think that is something I'll be able to do better.
Getting stuck in a lift with a gossip queen, yeah, getting stuck with your childhood crush in a lift.
Okay, with my childhood crush, so gone than that. Gossip queen.
Gossip queen.
But I'm not a gossip person also. Again, childhood crush.
Okay. So who's your childhood crush?
John Servers.
John Abraham. Have you told him?
As a kid, yeah, lately in an interview, I spilled the bean. It was so embarrassing. I was only 7 years old, and he was my first crush. I saw Dhoom, and I became this huge Kabir lover. I got back to my school and I started telling my friends, I have a boyfriend and his name is Kabir and he has long hair and he rides bike. And there was no Kabir in my life ever. I just used to have this fictional character in my head, and then I would just, play around with my friends about this story. But later they got to know that she was bullshitting. And I lately told him this, like now in an interview. And the worst part is, in my previous interviews, like 5-6 years back, I might have said this because that time I had no idea I'll be working with him. So somebody would ask me similarly what was, and I just said it. For the longest of time, I was so embarrassed that I hope he never sees it. I hope he never gets to know because now I'm working in this such serious character with him. But thankfully, he hadn't. And finally, I said it.
Okay. Green flag or red flag? Following statements. You have to choose one. An actor who insists on 10 retakes of the perfect shot. Green flag or red flag?
An actor who insists on it's a green flag because eventually they're trying to perfect it, right? So it's a green flag only.
Okay. Someone who never watches their own movies. Green flag or red flag?
Seems like a green flag. At least that person is not a narcissistic person. Maybe.
Okay.
If that makes sense. Again, a green flag.
Okay. A director who improvises scenes on set with no script.
Greenest flag. So much fun to do. Like as an actor, so good if you'll bring to me something that I'm not aware of, and I can do something intuitive and spontaneous on that. It's an absolute green flag. It's a challenge.
Okay. A co-star who always pranks people on set. Green flag or red flag?
Green flag. It's a fun keeping the mood lighter.
Okay. An actor who always stays in character, even off screen. Green flag or red flag?
Red
No.
flag.
Red flag. Okay.
I would want to see the real you also.
So how important is it to have fun on the sets? Relaxed atmosphere. How important?
It totally depends on the movie. It totally depends on the project. Like what kind of film we are doing. For example, I'm only 3 films old and I have experienced while Raksha Bandhan we would have a lot of fun. We would do a lot of pranks and You would do things, and obviously it's Akshay sir. You can't not expect pranks on his sets. But here it was more intense. We were not supposed to really talk to each other and eat together and do all that kind of stuff, which was better for my character. So I think it's in both ways, it's important and it totally depends on the script. If script requires you to stay constrained and restrained and not go out and not talk and not have fun, then that's how you should be doing. It totally depends on that.
Someone who only texts and K in conversations.
Biggest red flag. I can't talk to that person for more than 10 seconds. I need conversations.
A person who refuses to share their fries and cola.
Biggest red flag.
Okay. Someone who takes 500 selfies before posting just one.
That's me, and I'm a red flag in that matter.
Okay, you click a lot of selfies and then post one. Okay.
Sometimes not even post one, but my phone is full. Like right now as we speak, मुझे पीछे से message pop हो रहा है, low device storage. That's me. And I keep clearing. I don't know what it is in my phone that it just doesn't get sorted. But yeah.
Okay, a co-star who hits the gym at 5 a.m. every day. I think someone like Akshay Kumar.
Yes, sir. Akshay sir. And I think also John said both of them. Both
Okay.
of them.
All right. Okay. So is it like a green flag or red flag?
It's a green flag.
Hmm.
I remember once I was going in the lift. We were shooting in Imperial Hotel and I was going on set or somewhere. And in the lift, I see Akshay sir and his team. And they're like, oh, तुम भी जिम जा रही हो? And I'm like, नहीं सर, मैं खाना खाने जा रही हूँ. He's like, नहीं तुम जिम चलो. और मैं खाना खाने चली गई और जिम चले गए. मैं इतना नहीं होता मेरे लाइफ में.
Someone who insists on doing their own stunts, even the dangerous ones.
It's a green flag.
Hmm.
Because they are capable of. I would also love to do that.
An action hero who brings protein shakes to the set.
Johnson, but he eats like the most healthy protein shakes
Okay.
I've seen him having.
A co-star who memorizes not just their lines but yours too.
Is a green flag for sure.
It's a collaborative process.
It's a collaborative process.
Okay.
I mean, it's very smart of the other person to do that.
Someone who claps at the end of a movie in the theater.
Oh, greenest flag. Especially if my scene is going. Like last night, I was the happiest.
Okay, your all-time favorite film.
Lajja, Nair,
Okay.
Eternal Sunshine of a Spotless Mind. Titanic, I can go back and watch anytime. While I was thinking all time, so I'm just thinking what as a kid I used to like. Because what I used to like as a kid, I still likes now. So yeah, these three.
All-time favorite actor.
Johnson.
Apart from John Abraham and Akshay Kumar.
Growing up, there was no favorite actor because see, I come from a very school, padhai, college wali life. So I never had a specific favorite actor. All the favorites I've liked the characters more than actors. Like for example, Kabir stayed with me, so he's my favorite character. Raju stayed with me, so he's my favorite character. I can't tell like the actor's name. It has to be Aman Kalhona Ho. He's my favorite character. Like that's more what I like.
Okay.
And I can absolutely like the same actor in the other film, and then I can't tell you that name. So it can be that. It totally depends on the film.
Sure. An actress you idolize.
Idolize nobody, but I definitely look up to work that they've done. And again, it's like from Alia's, Airavata Punjab, Highway, Gangubai, from Deepika's, this, like from different actresses doing different stuff. So it totally depends on the character that they are.
A director you are very keen to work with.
Sanjay Leela Bansali for sure, like any other actress who comes here wants to work with him for the aesthetics that he has. And then Imtiaz sir for the soul he brings to the table. These two are definitely on my bucket list that I really, really want to work with. Because it would really be beautiful, I think.
Any Hollywood actress who inspires you.
Meryl Streep, then also apna Natalie Portman. I like, again, specific word. Devil Wears Prada. Apna, the mother from Jennifer Lawrence, sorry. So different characters from different movies they've played. That's what really inspires me. Because the reason is, for me to like someone, I need to know them. And I don't know the person and I only know the character. So it's very instinctive for me that I am more drawn towards the character and I can't judge the actor. That's how I can't tell you that was.
how do you sum up your journey in a hashtag?
Destiny. Hashtag destiny. Hashtag God's plan. It's a God's plan. Yeah.
Hashtag. Okay, that's wonderful. All right. So, Sadia, wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much for your time. Congratulations for
I hope I
diploma.
was not boring.
No, you was not. You're not. You're not. We'll make it interesting. Don't worry.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yeah, it was interesting. Don't worry at all. Okay, and all the best wishes and congratulations and happy Ramadan to you. And I hope that
Thank you so
all your
much.
wishes
Thank
come
you.
true. Thank you so much.